So these are pellets here because there's a couple of great horned owls that are nesting right above here. And when they eat their prey, they regurgitate these things called pellets. And it's a mixture of the bones and the fur and anything else that's undigestible. So as you can see from here, this had to have been a mouse or pack rat or something. Got a really long tooth bone. That's a jawbone. But there's all sorts of pellets around the base of this tree. Oh yeah, the ravens around here, ravens and great horned owls don't really get along too well. So they'll come by and they'll just mob the owls. They won't actually physically hurt them, but they will make a lot of noise and dive around the tree. And the owls don't seem to care, but their ravens make their presence known. If they don't like them around here. But it does look like they are keeping the rodent population down around here. They'll eat birds too. Thanks for joining us, and hope you appreciated seeing this. It's kind of neat. You don't see them around too often. You kind of usually have to look for pellets and stuff. So yeah, it's like a whole boneyard around here.